Collaboration means reaching goals together on the one hand. It also means sharing value on the other hand. With each assignment to an objective comes a value. The value is assigned in the virtual currency Xcoins, and one Xcoin is worth €1. While using Xcamp is free, you as an owner of a project pay a platform fee of 3% of the assigned collaboration value for each assignment. For this, you buy Xcoins as credits in the project admin area, or you receive them from your incubator or mentors. You assign the collaboration value as an hourly rate or a bulk sum. The assignment constitutes a contract to deliver the task on a given objective with a defined role. Collaboration on Xcamp is not just project management. We need to form an agreement founded in transparency, trust, and reliability. That is why an owner cannot simply remove an assigned collaborator or change the conditions. The assigned collaborator, in turn, is responsible for delivering the agreed results and for providing proof for it. In a nutshell, collaborations are serious business that come with huge potential and also responsibilities. So if you have not worked with a collaborator, contact them before assigning a role to them in the objective and define the conditions together. That said, of course, any agreement is still flexible. The owner can alter the value or goals for an assigned objective. However, any alteration of the contract has to be confirmed by the assigned collaborator. It is very important that the work you do together is based on such agreements. For that reason, all members of an objective, be it owners, contributors, or evaluators, all need to agree when the objective is supposed to be completed. Completion of the objective closes the contract. What happens then to the value scored on an objective? We have a complete introduction into the economics of collaboration in another video, but would like to introduce the basics here. You find all values that you earn in your wallet as part of your personal profile. While the objective is still active, this value is labeled as open. When objectives are closed, the value is labeled as confirmed. When the owner switches the status to billable, you can invoice the amount and it turns to pay. And there is more to the value scored in projects on the Xcamp platform. You can not only get paid on the platform, you can also stake your value in the project. It's like crowd investment or bio-cryptocurrency. You invest in a project through your work, with the prospect that the value of the project increases over time. The reward points you had in Xcoins are like holding virtual shares in a company that is not yet on the stock market. The value of these reward points increases together with the value of the project increasing over time. You might eventually not only get out the value you contributed, but a multiple of it. Your value can grow by 20%, or it can grow by 2 or 20 times. All this is visible in your wallet. This is how value, credits, and rewards work in Xcamp, and the foundation for this value growth is your contribution to the project's success.